All right, you have a conundrum. You would like to participate in a Twitter chat, yet you are busy at the time it is going to be happening. Fear not, Hootsuite is here to rescue. You will go ahead and log in using either of your social medias. We're going to use Twitter for this. So you go to the planner, new post. You will then write your tweet, selecting your social media. Write the tweet you want to write. I'm going to do test, and I'm going to use, of course, the hashtag online teacher chat. You can add media and location if you are feeling fancy. You can then click the schedule for later. If you push post now, it'll go right then and there when you do it. If you do schedule for later, the date and time that you want, it will then post at the date and time that you've chosen. And when you push schedule, you will see you will see the tweet show in your scheduling page. So if I go back to if I exit this planner, discard this post, go to my planner, I will see all of the tweets that I have planned for Wednesday. So this is how you can make sure and triple check that everything is going to be posted when you want it to. You can also use Hootsuite for many other different social medias. You can use it to monitor as well. So if you want to monitor a stream, maybe I want to monitor a stream, I can add a stream for Twitter. Yes, and you can also follow the hashtag. So that is it as far as Hootsuite. I am not an expert by any means. I've just used it for several things. So I just find it useful because you are able to kind of get more out of it in less time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this informative and useful. If you would have more questions about Hootsuite, just comment down below or let me know in a message. Thank you. Hope to see you at the chat and around. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.